Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Uday Patel. Today, we study the chapter Resonant Converters. Now, in the previous lecture, we study about introduction, need of resonant converters, and classification of resonant converters. Okay. After that, we also study about different resonant converters series, which are series loaded resonant converter, parallel loaded resonant converters, and hybrid resonant DC to DC converters. Okay. Today we study about resonant switch converters. What is it? Okay, basically resonant switch converters are used for reduce the power losses. Okay, first of all, we have to know about the aim of our study. Okay, aim of our topic. Okay, what is the aim of resonant switch converters? Okay, in that what happen? We reduce the power losses, but what we are doing in that, we are uh, reducing the current at natural zero. Okay, and reducing the voltage at natural zero voltage. Okay, so we can say that in our first lecture we study about this waveform. In that what happens, if we turn off the switch at that time, the current is not zero instantly, and also voltage is not zero instantly. Okay, say similarly we show the turn on condition. It means switch on condition. At that time also the current and voltage are not zero at same time. Okay, for that we are using what? Resonant switch converters. Okay, sorry. Okay, now what are the types of resonant switch converters? First type is zero current switching, another type is zero voltage switching, and the third type is zero voltage switching clamp voltage. Okay, these are the three uh, configuration used in resonant switch converter. Okay, if you see this first circuit, this second circuit, and this third circuit, you you will see some similarity. Okay, let me show you. If we remove this capacitor and this inductor, this circuit will be what? This voltage source, switch, this diode, after then this inductor and this capacitor. Okay, wait. Sorry. Okay, now near to what happened? Current is flowing through this. If we remove this inductor, then current is flowing through this direction. Then the remaining circuit will be same. Okay, if we remove this inductor and capacitor, you will you were study the DC to DC converters like buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter, Kirk converter, Sepe converter, flyback converter, different types of converter in our first chapter. This circuit is similarly or identically or equivalent circuit of what? Buck converter. So for understanding the resonant switch converter, we are taking reference of buck converter circuit. Okay, By using that circuit, we will be understand the zero current switching. Okay, this first type is what? Zero current switching. In that, what happened? Okay, after study whole this thing, okay, we will conclude that in zero current switching, the current will be zero at what? At turn off switch. Okay, it means कि जब आपका करंट क्या होगा, जीरो करंट स्विचिंग के अंदर करंट जीरो कब होगा कि जब आप स्विच को टर्न ऑफ करोगे, तो एज वेल एज जब आप स्विच को टर्न ऑन करोगे तो आपका करंट उसके अंदर से फ्लो होगा. ठीक है, पता चला. स्विच अगर आपका ओपन होता है तो उसके अंदर से करंट फ्लो नहीं हो सकता. इट मीन्स if we turn off the switch at that time, the current will be or should be zero. Okay, so we will study about zero current switching, okay, in next lecture. Okay, after then, in zero voltage switching, if we remove this thing as well as this thing, the circuit will be same. Okay, you can see here that. Okay, so see, we taking reference of buck converter in this circuit. In zero voltage switching, what happened? The voltage is zero at what? The current, the switch in the closed condition. Okay, get it? अगर आपका स्विच क्लोज कंडीशन में होता है तो उसके अक्रॉस में जो भी आपको वोल्टेज ड्रॉप मिलेगा वो जीरो मिलेगा. यानी कि अगर यहाँ से आप स्विच को क्लोज करते हो तो उस टाइम की कंडीशन में उसके अक्रॉस का वोल्टेज क्या होगा? जीरो होगा. ओके, तो उस पर्टिकुलरली जो भी वोल्टेज जीरो होने की कंडीशन है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? जीरो वोल्टेज.